Yeah, did I mention fun? I must have mentioned the Mobula 7. This thing is crazy fun. Thanks for joining in. Okay gang, Mobula 7. See if she's still a decent little flyer. I love this thing, guys. Link in the description where you can get this bad boy from, and it's just crashed. Crikey. I think I had it in the wrong mode, guys. It's just taken off from me. Come back here, you crazy Mobula 7. Pushing here 7.1 volts. That's not ideal. Okay. Again, gang, if you want to have a look at this Mobula 7, there'll be a little link up the top there. There's me just over there. This thing's a fun little unit. It's developed a bit of a jitter, as you can see. Not too sure why, but anyway. It's all pretty good. It's still flying, but it's got a little bit of physical jello. Just do a punch up from the middle of the pitch here. See where we're going, and punching up. Whoa, here we go. And here we go. I think we better go down now. Oh, that's just taken off. I don't want to lose this unit. It's pretty cool, this thing. Come back to me. Right. Oh, our battery's getting low, guys.